Our team is always looking for companies that have great products and great services. And we are balancing entrepreneurship and the ability to grow a business with rock-solid financial strength so that managements can weather all kinds of conditions, up and downs in the economy, or the uncertainties that may come out of Washington. The perception is that a lot of small and mid-cap companies either have inferior financial structures or they're operationally hobbled, and to some extent that's true. So we think it's really important for active managers to concentrate, as our team does, on companies that have big opportunities, that have competitive advantages, and very strong financial structures to finance that growth. It's tough to find innovation in the consumer discretionary and staple space. So alternately, we have found companies that are innovating, for instance, with healthier alternatives for pet animals. We've also made investments in the convenience store industry, and we have found that's an industry that lends itself well to innovation, that has high barriers to entry, because typically in smaller towns, especially in the Midwest, there's only going to be one or two convenience stores, and they're very attractive economics to be captured for our clients. So one of the interesting things about the technology space is recent spending intentions as a result of survey work have ticked up over the last few months. But we all know it's a long way from intentions to actually revenues and profits at the end of the year. What excites us about technology is the huge innovation and the opportunities to grow on a multi-year horizon. We own businesses that we think of in three different categories. First, we have holdings that are helping enterprises secure the data of their customers and also make sure that those enterprise networks are operating to peak efficiency. We also have companies that are challenging the way traditional services are offered, that are doing it more efficiently. Services such as enrolling patients in healthcare plans or operating ATM networks, which is a fairly mundane sounding business. And finally, we have consumer-facing technology companies such as Pandora or Grubhub, which are totally reinventing traditional modalities of delivering products and services. My colleagues and I continue to have a very favorable outlook for the opportunities for small and mid-cap companies. There's a lot of technological change, a lot of challenges to larger cap companies, and our small cap and mid-cap companies are indeed driving that change. Some of the challenges that our smaller companies are facing is with the tightening labor conditions here in the United States is to retain their talent and to attract new talent. And we're finding some innovative alternatives in selected holdings out how companies are cultivating talent, seeding talent through university sourcing to nurture and sustain their competitive human capital advantage.